that we're gonna use later. That means we're not gonna use it. We're only gonna use it only when we already arrive at campsite or any point. So we're gonna put something like clothes.
Bag.
Oh. Sleeping bag in the bottom. Okay, we're gonna put it in the bottom. Then for the middle layer, we're gonna put things like food. We're gonna put like food or
Stuff.
his helmet. But for the top layers, we're gonna put something that easy to get or something that you need to take it out frequently, like first aid. Okay? So you got it or not? Still cool?
Sticker.
Okay, we're gonna play quick game.